What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Fun in the South. I'm Paul, and this is my wife, Jill, and today's adventure leads us deep in the heart of the Smoky Mountains. Alright, I know about that, at Pigeon Forge anyway, as we continue our quest to find the ultimate mountain coaster. So this trip here, this adventure, led us to the Alpine Coaster in Pigeon Forge. And it was a heck of a good time. We'd like to share it with you. Would you like to join us? We hope so, because here we go.
I found out long ago. It's a long way down the holiday road. Holiday road. Holiday road. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick.
No coupons in one of the coupon books. But me, being the bargain shopper that I am, I found us on Groupon. We got a Groupon, so for just under $16, it's $15 and change for the two of us.
Yeah. Well, how
And
much is it regular?
It's like 18 bucks a person for like one ride.
So basically buy
So we
one, get
scored.
one. Yeah, that's a good deal.
Yeah. I'm all about saving money.
Okay, so we're getting ready to ride the Alpine Coaster, and I'm reading over the safety, you know, what you shouldn't do. And one thing that I find really interesting is this one right here. Guests must secure, lock, or remove any prosthesis before boarding to ensure your safety and safety of other guests. Have you ever been hit with someone's prosthesis coming loose and hitting you?
Oh, how fast does this thing go?
I guess that would really suck if your artificial prosthesis flew off and hit someone in the face behind you. No one wants that. That's just bad.
Alright, so you see those two? So now I push mark is redeemed, right? Okay.
Going to insert the barcode. Yeah, says in or now.
Quite the ride up.
So excited, I'm ready to pee my pants.
We did. One of my favorite songs here. I just have to say real quick, one of the signs I thought was really funny on the way up, there was a no smoking sign. So, you're gonna have to wait to get off the ride before you blaze up. I'm sorry. Just calm down.
Hey, buddy. Hey there. So cute.
Yeah. Almost to the top. Yeah, please no smoking. That's great. I'd love to meet the guy that's smoking on this thing, you know?
I probably would have when I was a smoker.
Yeah, 2 or 3 of them at the same time like this. As you're going up. It's a great visual. Your Red Baron scarf on, goggles, cigarettes. like the toilet bowl of doom.
That was so fun! Let's do it again!
Okay.
Did you have that thing pushed all the way down?
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it back. Oh, the gift shop. Little slaughter deal.
A little bit. COVID killer.
There you go. Yeah, no, before I go on the ride, I always say to the guy, I say, so do you have to use the brakes at all? Like, no. So I'm just like, you know. So I had to leave it going.
Well, I did, as long as my arms were.
Well,
I think I probably could have gone a little bit faster, but my arms are only so long.
You couldn't push all the way down. I think the guy said it does like 27, 28 miles an hour. It doesn't go faster than 30, so it's not like you're like, you know, gonna fly off the track or something. But so that was the second coaster we've ever ridden. No, that's actually the third. That's not true. That's the second one that we've recorded and shared with you guys. The first one was Rocky Top, which you can check that one out, and then this is the Smoky Mountain Alpine Coaster. The other one we rode was Ghosts on the Roof, but we don't want to talk too much about that because we might end up doing that one on the series, The Quest for the Ultimate Mountain Coaster.
We're doing it.
We're definitely doing it.
We're doing every single one.
And but yeah, no, it was fun. It's really busy. We got there at 9 o'clock, and they opened at 10, and by 9:45 it was swamped. I mean, there was a line. The parking lot was full, and they were in full bloom.
We were first ones there.
Yeah, the other thing I was going to tell you is if you want to get that full experience with the wind blowing in your face and the bugs hitting you and all that, don't go there on a day that they're forecasting rain, because they cover each, what do you call it, a cart? Each cart is like enclosed. They put this enclosure thing on it to kind of...
Yeah, it's like a shield. It's not totally enclosed.
Yeah, it's just like a windscreen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you don't want to, and it's like a tinted thing, and sometimes it gets kind of, like mine was a little bit like fingerprinted up. Not that it matters, but if that's something you want to avoid, make sure you go there on a day that doesn't call for rain, because they put those on days that call for rain.
Yeah.
But
I still don't think it really took that much away from the experience. It was pretty cool.
No,
For me, I liked it.
It was fun. It was a long ride. It's like a 9 or 10 minute ride up and then down. And
long enough to have your smoke.
long enough to have 5 or 6 smokes on the way up, although you can't smoke on the ride. So anyways, anything
We want
else?
to prevent forest fires. Paul.
Always, yeah, definitely. And that little gopher guy, or the groundhog or whatever he is, that's what he's looking for, is cigarette butts.
Yeah.
That's what he does.
Yeah, he was collecting them.
Yeah,
I think I saw he had one in his mouth.
He did, and then he makes a little nest out of them. You know, it's great.
Yeah.
So, but anyways, guys, thanks for joining us for this adventure on Fun in the South. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time on the next adventure of Fun in the South. Have a great evening. Bye for now.
Bye.